welcome back to the Sweet Star Candle YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be sharing how to make a sparkle mica powder watermelon wax melt. So for part 1 of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the quote-unquote watermelon seeds. So you're going to need about 0.5 ounces of whatever wax melt wax you want to use. I would get this melting on a low temperature until it's all completely melted. And then we're going to add in our mica powder. You're going to need 1/2 of 1/64 teaspoon. So for the seed color, I use 1 drop brown and 1 drop black liquid candle dye, and you want to mix these together completely. I'll have a link in the description for the molds that I use, and we want to pour our mixture into the teardrop shaped molds. We're going to need at least 6 seed embeds, but if you have excess wax, you can pour it into the other molds. So you're going to want to wait until they harden, and then we're ready to pop them out of the molds. So for part 2 of the video, we're going to be making the red part of the watermelon, and you're going to need 2.5 ounces of whatever wax melt wax you were using. To this wax, we're going to add 1/64 teaspoon of mica powder. And for our color, I'm going to use 1 drop of liquid red candle dye. The clamshells I'm going to be using are from Aztec Candle Supply, and they're their large clamshells. I'll have a link in the description that goes to these clamshells as well. So we're going to put the flat part of the seeds onto the bottom part of the clamshell. When you're placing the seeds as well, make sure you place them in alternate directions so it resembles a watermelon more. If your red wax has reached 200 degrees Fahrenheit, you can add 0.25 ounces of whatever fragrance oil you're using, and make sure you mix this until it is not murky anymore. And here's an example of a fragrance oil I found that smells like watermelon. After mixing, let the red wax cool to 160 degrees Fahrenheit or less. When you're pouring, try to pour evenly into each of the holes. I would avoid the intersections, even though that's what I did. It ends up looking much cleaner on the sides if you pour directly into each of the individual holes. However, if you do mess up like I did, you can use a metal spoon to move the wax around to the desired height you want. So for part 3, this is the green part of the watermelon, and you're going to measure out 2.5 ounces of whatever wax melt wax you've been using. And you'll need to add 1/2 of 1/64 teaspoon of mica powder. To make the green color, I added 1 drop yellow and 1 drop blue liquid candle dye. When your wax gets to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, add 0.25 ounces of whatever fragrance oil you added to your red candle dye. Just like the red wax, we're going to let the green wax cool to less than 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and make sure the red wax is completely solidified before you start pouring your green wax. The reason we want it to get to 160 degrees Fahrenheit or less is because this keeps it so each part we build is going to stay how we poured it, and it's not going to all melt together and be muddy. So after you let your wax melt solidify, I would wait to use it for 2 or more weeks because this is going to allow the fragrance to be more expelled when you actually start melting your wax melt. Make sure to comment down below any wax melts ideas you guys have, and I'll try to recreate as many as I can. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you're interested in the candles and wax melts I make, you can check out our website, sweetstarcandles.com, and you could use code YT15 to get 15% off. You can check out a similar video right here, and you can check out our channel here. Thank you so much for watching.